In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a 19mm wrench to break the jam nut free. Remove the cotter pin from the outer tie rod. Using a 17mm socket, remove the nut off of the outer tie rod stud. Use a hammer, hit the side of right here, and we'll release the tension, and then we'll be able to push it up. And remove the outer tie rod. Spin the outer tie rod off of the inner and remove it. And thread on the outer tie rod. Thread the jam nut down to the outer tie rod. Remove the nut off of the outer tie rod stud. Install the outer tie rod into the knuckle. Thread the nut on. Using a 14mm wrench and a 22mm wrench, we're going to hold the inner tie rod and tighten the jam nut onto the outer tie rod. Tighten the outer tie rod nut, torque it to 36 foot-pounds, and then up to an additional 60 degrees or until there's a slot in the castle nut that lines up with the hole in the stud. Install the cotter pin. Bend it down and around, and I'm going to cut my little tab off on this side. And clean this side up as well. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. And we'll torque the wheel on the ground. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.